Yeah, this is for a 2004 Honda Odyssey. I was having trouble with my hood not latching. I took off this cover that used to be here. Just has some of these little clips you can pop off pretty easily. And then once I got in here, I realized that if I took a tool and I pushed down on this metal piece right here, I pushed down on that, which I already did, it makes like a clicking noise, and that kind of resets this whole assembly so that your latch will lock when you bring it down, the hood. So let's give it a shot here. Alright, that's the first time I've been able to do that in a while. So let's see if I can get it to click. Okay, right here, I want to push right here and listen. Oops. Is that it? I think that may have been it. Alright, let's try it again. I think that was it. I probably should put some WD-40 in there, and that should keep it working for a while. Good luck.